Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to create an event on Calendly. The first thing you want to do once on your Calendly dashboard, you are going to select New Event Type. Then after you have selected this, you are going to select the type of event that you want to create. So for example, let's say it's a one-on-one meeting, you'll simply tap on create. And from here, you're going to add your event name. So you can simply add the name right here. Then you'll add the location, or as you can see here, in-person meeting, phone call, Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams. You can see there are numerous options. So I'll select this one right here. Then after doing that, you'll simply scroll down, and from here you can add the description of the meeting. And then you can scroll down and you can see the event link right here. You can also select the event color. And once you're finished, you're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. And you can see that the event has been saved. Use an existing schedule or set your custom hours. You can decide which one you'd like to use. And you can also see which schedule do you want to use working hours. So you can customize that to your liking. As you can see right here, the different timelines. And you want to add time before or after your events. So you can simply add 15 minutes as I normally do that. Then tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. And you can see that it has been saved. And you can see it right here. And that is basically it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.